Welcome back to Epidaga's Dumbbox. This is Akshay Daga, and in this video I will show you how you can use Node MCU for communication over internet, and that will be using Lua programming. Initially in our previous videos we have already seen the MQTT communication, that is public subscribe IoT architecture using Node MCU, but that was in C programming or Python code. So right now I will show you how you can do the same using Lua programming. So for that you need to follow these steps. These are the steps you need to follow. So first of all you need to install Lua firmware that I have already shown in my previous video. The link will be given in the description, otherwise you can click on the I button. There you can find that video. Then you need to burn this program. I'll show you how to do that, and then I'll show you the demo that how we can communicate. And let's start. For Lua programming, the IDE you will be needing is Explorer. Okay, just open the Explorer, and I have already installed the fresh new firmware, that is Lua firmware. Just click on open and make sure your baud rate is selected as 9600. Then you need to click the button which is present on your Node MCU, the RST, that is reset button you have to press. I just pressed it. Now you can see the version number is present over the screen, you can see it. Then I'm opening the code. The program will be available for you for reference. You can download it. The link will be given in the description. This is the code. This is just a simple code. Here the broker, you need to change two things, that is your Wi-Fi name and password. All other things are same. Then you can see this is my topic slash IoT. It is the name of my topic. Okay, so you can change that, and in the broker name is iot.eclipse.org. This is the broker name and this is the port number. Okay, so what our code is doing, our code is subscribing to this broker. Okay, and then our code will be publishing this message to the broker. That means we will receive the same message on our console, that is here. So now I will upload this. Click on send to ESP button to upload this code on Node MCU ESP8266. Once code is uploaded, you can see we have sent the message and we have received the same message. The communication happened through the broker. Okay, and one more thing is, in this case you don't need to connect your all devices in the local network. Here you are communicating through internet, so your devices, your publisher and subscriber can be anywhere in the world connected to the internet, and the message will be transferred from all the publisher to the subscriber. Okay, so I'll show the demo. For that, go here, go to MQTT box. I have already installed it. Click on launch. Then this is the connection. I'll show you the settings for this. You can give any client name. Then you have to select MQTT/TCP. Then you need to provide that broker name here. In this field, host is the broker name. Then the topic name will be my topic/IoT. Okay, and just save it. Once that is done, you can see it is connected. Then you need to subscribe to the same topic, and you will be publishing whatever message you need to publish. Here write the message here and click on publish. Okay, so I'll show you some better things. Okay, I have already subscribed, and I will show you this here. Okay, so now whatever message I will send, I'm sending 1 to 3. You can see I received 1 to 3 here. Right now it is in a local network, but I'm telling you that it is not mandatory. The same message I received here also, because we are subscriber here also. My message from MQTT box, publish. You can see we have received the message here, and at the same time we have received message from here also. Then I'll show you one more demo, that is one second. That is using this AirDroid. You can see this is my mobile, and my mobile I have installed MQTT client. This is the app. Okay, and in this app I need to set hostname as a iot.eclipse.org. The port number is 1883, and topic to subscribe and topic to publish are the same, and I am clicking on connect. Okay, so and whatever message I'll send, see I am sending 1, 2, 3. So you can see I send 1, 2, 3. See, we have received same message here and here as well. 1, 2, 3. Right now my mobile is in the local network, but what I will do, you can see I am turning off the Wi-Fi. So right now you won't be able to see my screen, but I am sending the message from my local from my mobile internet. That means we are on different network and we are communicating through internet. So I am sending, one second, I am sending the message as 4, then 5, and we have received all the messages. So you, here I have demonstrated that we can communicate over internet. There is no need to connect all your device in a local network. So that's it guys. I hope you understood how to work with Lua program and Node MCU, and this is the sample code. You can use it for practice. Everything will be available in the description. You can follow my blogs, and if you got to know something from this video, then like my video. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. This is Akshay Daga signing off.